Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought 4 opportunities for you all. If you are looking for a software engineering, front end, back end or mobile development opportunities, today's video has some really interesting openings. We have remote internship, AI focused roles, front end opportunities and a fresher software engineering position. So don't skip around because one of these opportunities could be exactly what you are actually looking for. Let's get started. The first opportunity is from Helio AI and they are hiring for the AI Engineer Intern position. Now, this is probably one of the most exciting internship in today's list because unlike many other companies that simply mention AI in the job title, Helio AI is actually building production AI systems that are actually being used by real businesses. The company is developing AI concierge solutions for Shopify brands. In simple terms, they build AI agents that can answer customer questions about products, shipping, refunds, orders, and other business related queries. Their goal is to create AI systems that provide reliable answers instead of making things up. As an AI engineer intern, you will be working on technologies that are becoming extremely important in the AI industry right now. You will be helping build retrieval-augmented generation pipelines, often called as RAG system. You will work on improving AI responses quality, reducing hallucinations, building evaluation frameworks, and improving retrieval systems using embeddings, re-ranking techniques, and filtering methods. One thing I really like about this role is that they are not asking for years of experience. They are open to freshers, college students, and recent graduates. What matters more here is whether you have actually built something. If you have experimented with LangChain, created AI chatbots, built projects using RAG, worked with open APIs, you will have a strong advantage. The primary skills they are looking for include Python, machine learning, LLMs, LangChain, agentic AI, prompt engineering, and problem solving abilities. The internship offers flexibility as well. You can work remotely or from Hubli, Karnataka. They are even open to hiring globally. For some interested in AI engineering, this is not the type of internship where you will spend 6 months updating spreadsheets. You will actually get exposure to real world AI product development. Moving on to the second opportunity, Helio AI is hiring front-end engineer interns. Now, if engineering is not your thing, but you enjoy building user interfaces and web applications, this one is worth applying attention to. The company is looking for front-end interns who can help build interfaces for AI-powered products. You will be working on customer dashboards, onboarding experiences, chat interfaces, analytics page, and other user-facing components. The main technologies mentioned here are include React, Next.js, JavaScript, and TypeScript. Your responsibilities will include building reusable UI components, integrating APIs, improving application performance, handling different user states like loading and error scenarios, and converting designs into production ready interfaces. What makes this internship attractive is the level of ownership. In large companies, interns sometimes work on very small isolated tasks. In startups like Helio AI, interns often contribute directly to feature that real user interact with. They are specifically looking for candidates who have practical React or Next.js experience. Even if you don't have professional experience, personal projects can make a big difference here. If you have built dashboards, portfolio websites, SaaS clones, e-commerce interfaces, or anything substantial using React, you are already moving in the right direction. The role can be remote or on-site, and you will get the opportunity to collaborate directly with the backend developers, AI engineers, and founders. For front-end focused freshers, this is definitely one of the stronger opportunities in today's list. Now let's move on to the third opportunity. This one is from Navtech and they're hiring React Native developers. This role is more suitable for candidates who already have some experience with mobile development application. Since they are looking for people with around 1 year of experience, Navtech works with enterprise clients across multiple countries and focuses heavily on cloud-first technology solutions. As a React Native developer, you will be responsible for building mobile applications for both Android and iOS platforms. The work involves more the work involves much more than just creating screens. You will be participate in requirement analysis, application design, development, testing, deployment, and ongoing support. The company is looking for candidates who can create smooth user experiences, integrate APIs, work with native mobile capabilities, and solve performance issues when they arise. The core skills include React Native, React.js, JavaScript, Redux, REST APIs, mobile development concepts, debugging, and agile methodologies. What stand out here is the exposure you will get the enterprise scale application projects. You will be working with clients from US, UK, and Europe, which means you will encounter larger systems and more complex requirements compared to the smaller organizations. The position is based in Hyderabad and follows an in office work model. The compensation range is around 4 to 8 LPA, and the company also provides medical insurance and performance based appraisals. If you are someone who already comfortable with the React and wants to get deeper into the mobile development, this could be a good starting point. And finally, let's talk about the fourth opportunity. Navtech is hiring software engineers, specifically targeting fresh graduates and recent passouts. Among all the roles in the today's video, this is probably the most beginner-friendly software engineering opportunity. They are looking for candidates who are interested in Python development, backend systems, APIs, databases, and enterprise application. The role gives you exposure to multiple areas rather than locked into a single technology. You will be assisting with application development, writing code, build APIs, troubleshooting issues, optimizing performance, and learning modern software engineering practices from experienced developers. Another interesting aspect is the company's involvement with ERP Next and Frappe framework. The salary range is around 3 to 5 LPA per annum, and the company offers mentorship, exposure to software development, and career growth within the organization. So, yeah, guys, these were the three opportunities for today. As always, if you are interested in any opportunities, apply as early as possible because fresher roles receive a ton of applications. If this video helped you discover a new role and match your skills, make sure to support the channel by subscribing and turn on the notifications. I just want to quickly tell you, I have a resource called 15 plus top company DSA and LeetCode sheets. This includes company specific questions from Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and many more companies. So instead of wasting time searching questions, you can directly prepare well. So make sure to check out the link in the description box. And guys, if you want any opportunity update based on a particular domain, make sure to comment down and let me know so I can bring it in front of you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.